Good morning, children. Hope you all are fit and fine. Maintaining distance, washing hands, sanitizing it regularly, so that you should be healthy, isn't it? Then we will be able to meet in the school. Now this, as you all know that your portion is completed. Now this is your moral science revision sheet, and I am going to discuss about this revision sheet. Okay. In the first slide, see, here is the prayer. Say, God sufficeth, all things above all things, and nothing in the heaven or in the earth but God sufficeth verily. He is in himself the knower, the sustainer, the omnipotent. Now see what is told in this poem, that nothing in this world is above God, because he is in himself the knower. Knower means one who knows everything. Sustainer means one who supports us. And omnipotent means one who is present everywhere. What does this means? That God knows also everything, he supports us also, and he is present also everywhere. So that means nothing is hidden by the God. And what we should have a trust in God, belief in God. Which religion, I don't know. Maybe Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Isai, any religion. But in all the religion there is a belief, there is a trust in God, and people pray for it because they trust. And because we are having trust, God is there to help us at our difficult times. Now I will show you the next slide. Now here are some questions. Answer these questions. And here is the first question: who remembered the cat's sickly face? Here see, I will change only who. And who remembered the cat's sickly face? Mouse. And after that I will copy this question. Mouse remembered the cat's sickly face. See, one word I have changed here, and my answer is completed. Now I will share you the next question. What is the foundation of all human virtues? And see, in the place of what I will write? Truthfulness. Truthfulness, rest I will copy here. Truthfulness is the foundation of all human virtues. Because, my dear, if we are speaking truth, it is easier for us to acquire the all other good moral values. But if we doesn't speak truth, if we doesn't believe on truth, then it is very difficult for us to accept all the other moral values. And if one or two times we are caught telling lie, people doesn't trust also. We lose many loyal friends if we are speaking lie. Whom did the master call when the unkind man was sick? Here I will start from here. The master called, and here I will add call. Call will change into called. The doctor. And again I will from here copy it. When the unkind man was sick, the master called the doctor. When the unkind man was sick, in the unkind man was sick. In the story Forgiveness, you have read that when the unkind man was sick, the master called a doctor, brought medicines, and looked over the unkind man until he was well. Who was always in need of food and clothing. And in the place of who, what we will write? The unkind man. After that I will copy this. Was always in need of food and clothing. My dear, mine I am writing on the screen, that's why my handwriting is not so good, but I know you all are very good children and your handwriting is also very good. So you will take time, but you will do your work very neatly and a little dark, because if you will write dark and you will click picture, it will be clear, and then if you will send the PDF to us, it will be very easy for us to do the correction. Who is the knower, the sustainer, the omnipotent? Right now we have studied in the prayer. Who is the knower? The sustainer means, knower means who knows everything. Sustainer means who supports us. And omnipotent means one who is present everywhere. And who is the knower, sustainer and the omnipotent? God. And then we will copy this. God is the knower, the sustainer and the omnipotent from here. God is everywhere. At home your parents are there to support you, to save you, to look after you. In the school, teacher is there for your further progress, to look after you. But God, my dear, is the one who is everywhere, whether it is school, home, playground, on the road, wherever you are, God is with you. Without whom the mouse life would be so boring. And without whom? Without the cat, because when the mouse thought of all the positive things, that she runs after me, that makes me active. She frightens me, that makes me regular in praying to God. So, and without her, my life will be boring. So, without cat. Without whom? Without cat. Wait. Without cat. In the place of whom will be cat. The mouse life would be so boring. This sentence tells us the thought, which type of thought we should have. We should have always positive thought, because sometimes we are in problem and we think about God is not doing good, but my dear, that makes us progress. That makes us do progress in our life. Who fell down at the master's feet? And in the place of who, what will be here? The unkind man. The unkind man fell down at the master's feet. When he fell down, my dear, when he realized his mistakes, isn't it? Then he went to the master and fell on his feet and told, I am very sorry, please forgive me, master. Who was avoiding to look at the master, and who was avoiding? In the place of who, what you will write? The unkind man. The unkind man, and then we will copy this. Was avoiding to look at the master. To look at the master. And what he did? He covered his face with his arms, isn't it? Now, my dear, what you will do? You will write CW and date. You will do your work very neatly. In first page, you will write the prayer and decorate it. You will make it presentable, my dear. Writing prayer, decorating doesn't only means that you will color it. A little bit you will work on it and make it look presentable, beautiful. Okay, because on the basis of your work, your CW, HW marks is there. And then you will write all the question answers. And how you will write? A little darker, so that when you click the picture it should be very clear. And you will make the PDF and you will send it to your respective class teachers. And my dear, of all the 4 subjects, make one PDF. One child, one PDF. Clear to all of you, I think? So go through and if you are facing any difficulties, go through these videos, my dear, so that you can solve all your problems. Thank you.